Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
हेलो माय डियर सोल फैमिली, मैं मौसमी बोल रही हूँ पुणे से। मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ, मैं एक साइकोथेरेपिस्ट हूँ, काउंसलर और हीलर हूँ। ये वीक है फ्रॉम जुलाई 22 टू जुलाई 28 इसके, और हम बॉक्स के बारे में बात करें विच इज हेल्थ। तो हेल्थ के पर्सपेक्टिव से एक्चुअली इस पूरे हफ्ते आपको थोड़ा सा टेक केयर करना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट आर द थिंग्स लाइक आप थोड़ा सा अवेयर हो जाइए। अगर आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो आप एक्सरसाइज क्या कर रहे हैं, आप अगर खाना खाते हैं आपका सोने का टाइम क्या है, स्लीपिंग टाइम, आपके खाने का टाइम, आपके एक्सरसाइज करने का टाइम। और सबसे अच्छी चीज होगी इफ यू गो एंड फॉलो द गाइडेंस कि जो आप खाना खा रहे हो स्पेसिफिकली उस खाने को आप कितना माइंडफुली खा सकते हो, और चूज कीजिए कि विच आर द फूड दैट इज हेल्पिंग फॉर माई बॉडी एंड विच आर द फूड दैट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग फॉर माई बॉडी। तो आपको ये गाइडेंस बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा थ्रू ऑल दीज पर्सपेक्टिव इस पूरे वीक के लिए। आप अगर अपना पूरा हेल्थ का ध्यान रखेंगे, सही टाइम पे अगर सही चीजें करेंगे, फॉलो करेंगे, तो ये ओवरऑल हेल्थ के पार्ट में बहुत अच्छा है। टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Signing in for Punch Portal reading on relationship from July 22nd to July 28th. For the year 2024, the board says it will be a good week in terms of relationships. The board suggests that you can expect positive development and sense of harmony in your interaction with others. This indicates a favorable time for strengthening bonds and experiencing joy in your relationships. Teaching tool about journey of life implies that the board is providing wisdom on how to navigate life's path, particularly focusing on relationships this week. This could mean learning valuable lessons that will help you grow personally and improve your connections with others. For this week, yes, the journey is beautiful. The board is emphasizing that the experiences you will have will be pleasant and enriching. It suggests that the week will be filled with moments to appreciate and enjoy the decisions and actions you have taken for harmony and growth of relationships. Will make you feel contented and proud of the efforts you made to foster positive relationships. Reflecting on your actions and their positive impacts can bring a sense of fulfillment. Your overall relationships with your family members and friends will improve, indicates that your connections with loved ones likely to become stronger. The board is suggesting to be patient through challenging times can lead to a better understanding during difficult moments are key to developing a more profound and resilient bond. Weathering challenges together can bring you closer and build trust. The message emphasizes the importance of commitment, patience, self-improvement, and reflecting. Nurturing relationships will encourage you to appreciate the positive aspects of your journey. That's all for now. Signing out. Thank you so much.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मैं कविता मोदी फ्रॉम जमशेदपुर। मैं इस हफ्ते गाइडेंस लेकर आई हूँ टुवर्ड्स स्पिरिचुअलिटी फ्रॉम 22nd ऑफ जुलाई टू 28th ऑफ जुलाई 2024। इस हफ्ते मोक्ष पार्टी हमें ये गाइडेंस दे रहा है कि हमें अपने कर्मों पर ध्यान देना चाहिए, वो कितने पॉजिटिव हैं और कितने नेगेटिव। जैसा करेंगे वैसा भरेंगे, जो बोया है वही तो काटेंगे। इसलिए हमें डेली इनर रिफ्लेक्शन करनी चाहिए, जिससे कि हमें ये पता चलेगा कि हम कहाँ सही है और कहाँ गलत, और अगर कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं तो उसको कैसे ठीक करना है और कैसे उसमें सुधार लाना है, जिससे कि हमारी वाइब्रेशन और हाई हो और हम और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिवाइन से कनेक्ट हो सके। डेली मेडिटेशन करें, जिससे कि हमारा इंट्यूटिव पावर डेवलप होता है और हमें इंट्यूशंस मिलते हैं, डिवाइन गाइडेंस मिलती है और हम उनको समझ पाते हैं कि डिवाइन हमें क्या गाइड करना चाहता है। जितना हम डिवाइन से कनेक्टेड रहेंगे उतने हमारे कर्म भी सही रहेंगे और हमें हमेशा सही मार्गदर्शन मिलता रहेगा। तो इसलिए इस हफ्ते अगर किसी का दिल दुखाया है, आपने किसी को बहुत दुखी किया है, तो उससे फॉरगिवनेस करिए, जिससे कि हमारे नेगेटिव कर्म कुछ कम हो। इसलिए इस हफ्ते इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते नए एस्पेक्ट्स के साथ। थैंक यू, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, बी हैप्पी।
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing you the cosmic guidance for the week of 22nd to 28th July 2024 in relation to business and profession. The quote cautions us against greed in business, for it makes us short-sighted. And instead of looking at long-term business growth, our focus would be for profit in the present moment only. Greed also takes us towards unethical methods to have more power, control, and more profit. We should refrain from greed, for it can cloud our judgment in taking right business decisions. Many a times, professionals do not give credit for good work done by others and deny them their rightful dues, and this should not be practiced. Mokshpata guides against conceit in business and profession too, for it leads us away from collaborating with colleagues and working in a healthy environment. I know everything and I am the best. These feelings and attitudes would lead to feelings of alienation in business meetings, leading to limited growth. Constructive feedback and healthy criticism should be welcomed. To sum it up, you should be open to new ideas and collaborations and constructive teamwork in this week. Try to curb greed and avarice and look for long-term investment, which would lead to constant growth in your business. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste. My name is Sonal Kapadia, and today I'm going to do the Mokshpat reading and guidance for finances for the week 22nd to the 28th of July 2024. The Mokshpat board says that you need to have complete clarity of what your goals are financially. What is it that you want to achieve financially? Once you have a complete idea about that, you then work backwards towards achieving that goal. You have to have complete knowledge of what you are doing with complete thorough research, understanding and awareness. And if you do this, you will definitely have financial growth and abundance. But if you get impatient and greedy, there are chances that you may face financial losses. So the advice from the Mokshpat board over here for you is to have complete clarity regarding your financial goals and then work towards your finances and investments with thorough research, knowledge and patience, and there will definitely be an assured financial growth and abundance in your life. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more next week. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.